Hi, I'm Lumby, your friend. Hi, I'm Mimi the lamp.
Hello, I am Chatter the Parrot.
And together...
Hi friends, I'm Lumby. I'm Toddlers. And get dressed. Wah.
Ready? Let's go. I don't know what to wear.
Red, blue, green, yellow, I'm so confused.
Don't worry, friends. We can learn together. Too many, too hard.
I don't know colors.
It's okay to feel confused. That's how we learn. Let's start simple. What color is this? Blue? No, green? Red. It's red. That's right, Mimi. Red, shake it.
Red. She got it. It's red t-shirt.
Now, what about this one?
Blue! It's blue! I know blue!
Yes, Chatter, you're learning.
Blue?
Who can find something else yellow? Hat. Yellow hat.
Ribbon! Yellow ribbon! I found it! We make a great team!
Here, Mimi. Purple looks beautiful on you. I love purple.
Orange hat! Chatter looks fabulous!
Now we're all dressed and ready. Introducing our color fashion show. Purple, Mimi's favorite. Look at us. We did it.
Mimi looks pretty. Chatter, you are beautiful!
You're both beautiful. See you tomorrow, friends. Colors, bye, bye. Subscribe Tumble Jumble for everyday fun. Bye, bye, friends.